In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace cabin air filter in your Honda Civic 2019 car, and you can follow it for most of the cars. It works similar. The only thing is you have to buy the correct air filter, so just check the part number and buy it. Now to replace it, go to the passenger side in the front, open the glove box, remove everything you have here, because on each side, so just place your hand here and pull it like this from one side and the other side. So just push it in like this direction. Inside the glove box, if you go behind, you will see there is a sticker here, white color. It displays the part number. So here we have the air filter. So open this tray. So there is a hook on the side, so press it from both sides and it will open. So that is the cover. The white color filter is here, so you can just take it out. So this is the air filter, cabin air filter. You can see how dirty is that, and it also has so much other things, other stuff inside. And once you replace it, it will take away all the smell and all the dust you feel when you start AC or heating. So smell will go away with that. So we'll just replace it with the new one. Take the new air filter, place it here, and just check the indication airflow and the marking on that. The airflow, it should be facing same side, and then you have to just place it in. Now place this cap with the airflow direction facing down. So once you hear the tick sound, that means it is placed properly. So this way we can replace the cabin air filter in 2019 Honda Civic, and you can follow it for most of the cars. Any make and model should be similar. Thanks for watching.